we present William Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet, slightly abridged. Oh, woe is me, woe, woe, twice, woe, thrice, woe. I am Romeo, of the family that is called the Montagues of Bewley. Is that right? Yeah, we've got a car museum. Well, woe is me too, for I am Juliet, and I am a catapult. Sure, that's what it says on the script. I am very woeful, for I have been chucked by a lassie by the name of Rosalind, so I am on the pole. Tell you what, I think I'll gate crash that party that's at the catapult's house tonight. Here I am at my house. It's a nice house. It's got a balcony, for example, and some decking. It's not a bad house, this. Look at that food, and look at that. Oh, there's a nice bottle of Tizer there. What a swell party this is. That's a swell party. Oh, hello. Hello. I think I'll impress her with my Shakespearean knowledge. Did you hear about Twelfth Night? No, some folks got shipwrecked. It worked out all right. Well, did you ever? What a swell party this is. And did you hear about the Hamlet boy? No, he got cut off in his soliloquy. Get me to a nunnery. Did you ever? What a swell party this is. What doublets and ruffs. Aye, what a lot of tasty bits of stuff. We'll like a drink, us. Aye, you're all tight as Andronicus. Oh, did you hear about the Thane of Cawdor? No, he stabbed a lot of people. That is out of order. Did you ever? What a swell party this is. And did you hear about Shylock? No, to get a pound of flesh they cut off his water shot. Prick me, do I not bleed? What a swell party this is. Oh, look, there's Julius Caesar. He's drinking a Bacardi breezer. And Brutus is at the nuts. Et tu, Brute, et the lot, the greedy guts. Did you hear Cleopatra got bit? Oh, that sounds painful. Ask, no tit. Did you ever? What a swell party. A swell party. A swell again, elegant party. This is. Thank you. Thank you. Well done avoiding the high note there. I thought it was better for both of us. And back into character. Hello, I am Romeo. Hello, I am Juliet. Do you come here often? Oh yeah, I live here. No, you cannot, no, what's your problem? This is only the house of the dreaded catapults. Well, duh, I know that, on account of how I am Juliet of the catapults. Oh, in the name of the Weaver, that it cannot be. What's your problem? I am only one of the family of the Montagues of Bewley. Well, the ones with the car museum, the very same. Well, you'd better bugger off then. How so? Because if my dad sees you, he'll have your bollocks. Oh, fair enough. Bye. Do you know, that's unfortunate, because I quite fancied her. I bet she probably didn't fancy me. Romeo. Oh, hello, who's that by yonder broken window who's left the light on? Romeo. It is Juliet, and she is soliloquizing. No, I'm just talking to myself. I've never known why they get a laugh, and then I never know why it doesn't get a laugh. You should worry, I fucking see it. I'm just talking to myself. Yes, so you are. I think I'll shimmy over for a closer look. Oh, Romeo, shimmy. Oh, Romeo, shimmy. Oh, Romeo, wherefore shimmy? Are you milking the shimmies? I had to make up for the soliloquy gag. Well, you're over here now. What do you want? Listen, I've been listening into you, and it sounds like you fancy me. Well, what about it? Well, to quote the immortal classic, you and me, babe, how about it? That is admittedly the classic by Dire Straits, but I think it counts. We cannot. Our two families are mental enemies. Whatever. It means we can't be an item. I may have the solution to our problems, really. Yes, I know a very clever fella who can have a solution for every problem if he tries hard enough. What's his name? His name is Friar Tuck. Friar Tuck. Hello, Romeo. Fry. What's your problem? Well, my problem is, would you like some chips? No, you're all right, right? My problem is, I fancy this girl called Juliet and she fancies me. That doesn't sound like much of a problem to me. No, the problem is that our two families are mortal enemies, and so we can't get it on. Oh, well, that's not a problem. Good luck, chicken and mushroom pie. I don't want a chicken and mushroom pie. Just the solution. Yeah, you send Juliet along to my... Are you on a trampoline? No. This is just the way I speak. You send her along to see me later, and I shall give her the solution. I knew you'd have the solution for our attack. You're brilliant. Oh, and one other thing, Romeo. Don't get in any trouble in the meantime. Oh, as if. Must not get in any trouble. 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 Have you taken that costume off yet? Not yet. Must not get in any trouble. Must not get in...
Hey there, Romeo of the Montagues.
Is that you, Tybalt of the Catapults?
It is. Yes, on guard.
On guard?
On guard. With this not particularly visible dagger. On guard.
What are you on guarding me for, Tybalt of the Catapults?
Well, you came that party to the house the other night.
Aye.
You did crush that, you wee rats bastard.
So, didn't you break anything?
No, you fair dug into the sausage rolls. And there wasn't that much Tizer left when you'd finished eating. On guard.
Oh, you don't need this. I'm trying to keep you out of trouble here. Are you having trouble there, Romeo? Oh, hello, my friend Mercutio. Just out of shot? What are you saying? Are you having trouble with that wee numpty dibble?
There you go, a wee numpty, you fat bastard.
Who are you calling a fat bastard, you wee numpty?
You fat bastard.
You're going to come over here and say that? Oh, please, the pair of you, stop doing this. I'm trying to keep out of trouble.
Yes, I'm going to come over here and say that. Take this. Stab, stab, stabbity, stab, stab, stabbity, stabbity, stab. Poke, gouge, scratch quite inconsiderably. Eviscerate, stab, stabbity, stab. Up the nose, off with the ear, stab, stabbity, stibbity, stobbity, stab.
Did you do what I think you did?
Maybe.
You stabbed my mate Mercutio.
Aye.
Why?
Well, he comes here giving it all that.
That's no reason to stab him. Mercutio, how are you doing? A plague on both your houses. See, he's pissed off now.
Talk to the hand. That does it. Mercutio, give me a dagger. Give me a dagger. Right. Take this, Tybalt of the Catapult. On guard yourself. Stab, stab, stabbity, stab.
What are you doing? I am miming stabbing you. You're miming sex in sign language. Did you see the match? Huh? Right, we was robbed. Back into character. Long distance stab.
Stabby.
You know, thinking it through, that probably wasn't the best mode of conflict resolution I could have employed. I think I shall run away to some far distant place till the dust has died down. Oh, Romeo, Romeo, why did I have to put this fucking scarf on? Shut up, when you've done it the first time, you have to do it every time. Oh, Romeo! Romeo, wherefore have you got to, Romeo? You've been away for ages. Hello! Hello, strange snowy man. Who are you? I am Friar Tuck on his trampoline. I've got the solution to your problems. I was about to slip it under your door, but since you're here, what were you about to slip under my door? This draft. I've already got a draft under my door. No, this is a sleeping draft. A sleeping draft? Yes. We give you this sleeping draft and it'll make you look like you've dropped down dead. Okay. And then we'll pretend to bury you. You're a bundle of laughs, you are. Then we'll pretend to bury you and then we'll dig you up and you can go off to Gretna Green and you and Romeo can get married. Oh, what a brilliant idea. That is fantastic. Friar Tuck, well done. Give me that sleeping draft now. Here you go. Oh, woe is me, woe, woe, twice woe, thrice woe, quadruple woe. I'm stuck here millions of miles away from the microphone by the sound of it, and I am missing my beloved Juliet and everything. So, I think I may nip back into town and see if the dust's died down, see if it's any quieter. There at all live in town, it would be... Oh, hello, my friend Balthazar from NSYNC. To the onslaught. You look like you're bowling. Oh, you look like you're going to ask me to come. But moving on. How trampoline as well, more a tramp head. Well, that's why I took a sock off. There's bad news from town. What bad news do you bring from town? Well, you ken that lassie who you fancy. Oh yeah, my Juliet, she's my beloved and fancy words and that. Well, she snuffed it. What? She snuffed it. Snuffed it? Aye. How did she snuff it? She took some poison. Poison? How did she get hold of poison? I don't know. She must have gone to the apothecary. The apothecary. She must have gone to the apothecary. The apothecary. She must have gone to the chemists. Then there is nothing for it. I must away to the chemists myself. What? To get some poison? No, to get some Listerine. Yes, to get some bloody poison. Oh well, take care, eh? That's not for who the phone bell tolls. It tolls for you. Oh, there she is, my beloved. Deed. 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 Silly cow, what was she thinking? Hey, women, you can't live with them, especially not when your families hate each other's guts. And come to think of it, we are both only 13 years old. Talk about the impetuousness of teenage youth, we'd have probably got over it given a weekend. Plus, she's 15 years old as well, and I've only ended up on the sex offenders register. Well, I've got some real poison here, and I know how to use it. Oh, new teeth, that's weird. Now, where was I? Oh yes, Barcelona. Okay, no Doctor Who fans in, back to the script. Romeo, wasn't that a brilliant idea from Friar Tucky? You and I are going to go off to Gretna Green with a fake poison and pretend to... Romeo? Romeo? Wherefore the fuck are you playing at, Romeo? Oh, you silly bugger! Real poison! What were you thinking of? I mean, I faked my own suicide. What do you think I'm going to get for that in 15th century Verona? But bloody hell! Well, there's bound to be some poison left on your lips. I shall take some. Come on, give it some tongue, deed boy. It's not working. What can I do? Ah, is this a dagger that I see before me? Wrong play, don't care. Give me that dagger. Self-stab, self-stab, self-stab. Deed. Is that it? Yeah. You're kidding. We're both dead. That's the end of the play. Yeah. It's a bit tragic, isn't it? It is a tragedy. It's supposed to happen now. Curtain's supposed to come down. So, haven't got a curtain. Mine's a rolling rock. I'm a sock. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I might have a higher second dog. I'm a sock. Yeah, whatever. So we're going to I could hang out with my friend Enoch. I'm a sock. Whatever you say. So thank you. Or I could hang about a little dry dog. I'm a sock. Yeah, whatever you say. Or I could, would you stop with the rhymes, please, you big cock? I'm a sock. Oh, who's dropping off ball lock? I'm a sock, please. Enough of the rhymes. Just do your big guitar finish and we'll get out of here. Okie dokie, if you say, here I go. STARS Broadway Baby, and so have I, and so has he. Thank you for coming. Have a good night. Enjoy the rest of the fringe. Thank you, and good night. Good night. Wear socks. Socks. Socks.